Hello guys, I am forex. In this video, I'll be explaining to you the importance of support and resistance. When you master your support and resistance, you are good to go. Mostly traders fail to get the right zones because they haven't mastered the art of support and resistance. A lot of traders out there spend so much time learning how to draw their support and resistance. Why? Because trading with your support and resistance is a very good plan. In this video, I'll be explaining to you how, as a trader, you can use your support and resistance efficiently to make very good profit. If even you do not know any strategy, or you do not have any trading strategy, you can even fall on your support and resistance to make very good profit. So, shall we go? When the market is in a trend, it is growing, what do we do? Where the price is to get to, that becomes your resistance. Where the price is going, that becomes your resistance. Where the price is from becomes your support. So when you are marking your charts, you have something like this and something like this. Alright, so here you have a downtrend. So you saw that the market came down, got to a particular zone, and when it got to this zone, what happened? Price was rejected. So this zone became your support. It helped the market climb higher. So this zone became your support. Now the next question you should ask yourself is, where is the market going? Where is the market going? You know, when you take the concept of support and resistance, you can attribute it to normal life, daily living. Now, whenever you want to reach a particular level in life, you need someone to support you. You need people to encourage you. You need people to motivate you. They support you. Now, whenever you get to a particular level, there are what you call resistance, okay? You have obstacles, okay? Obstacle to press on, to move on. All right, so where the market is going, the market now faces what you call resistance. So let's see, for instance, here, I'm going to change my marker. Okay, all right. So when you look at this chart, you can see that the price here, when the price got to this zone, what happened? Price was rejected. So this place became my resistance. Is that okay? This place became my resistance. So meaning that price is likely to face some challenges when it gets to this particular zone. I hope you understand me. So when price gets to this particular zone, the probability of it being rejected is also very high because the same thing happened here. All right, so when the price gets to this particular zone, what should a trader do? As a trader, you must calm down. It's either you take a sell or you wait for what you call a breakout. When you wait for the breakout, meaning that the resistance has been broken, then when the market breaks the resistance turns into support. So when the resistance turns to support, then you as a trader, you cannot continue to buy on the trend. But when there's a rejection in price, what do? You can sell to the nearest support. So you can sell to a particular zone and then look for another buy. I hope you have understood what I am explaining. So you see, if you are a trader and you do not mark proper and good support and resistance, probably you may think that the price is going to a particular zone where it has nothing to do. So it is important that you spend time. Trading takes time. Spend time, build your ability to draw good support and resistance. You do not need to use strongly your candlesticks. When you check your platform, especially the platform of your brokers, you will see that they have the candlesticks and they have the trend line. So you can choose the trend line, which will give you something like this. So when you get this type of shape or pattern, you can easily draw your support and resistance because they'll show you the peak level. So it is very important as a trader to master it. If you have any question at all, please don't forget to send us a message and we'll be ready to assist you. If you also need a personal training, we are also there to give you that particular training. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm sure I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.